Hello, everyone. Thank you so much for having patience. So we'll start the session now. See a lot many people pouring in already to this very exciting workshop that we have organized for you today. So once again, good afternoon, everyone. I welcome you all to another exciting live workshop being conducted by Team Computers. I'm your host of the R, Sandeep Saini, Manager Events, Team Computers. Friends, we have a very interesting set of activities lined up for you. But before we begin, I would like to wish you all good health and safe passage during these unprecedented times. Now, let me quickly introduce to our speakers or the experts who will be taking you through the sessions we have arranged today. So we'll have Mr. Pritesh Fauzdar, consultant Tableau, Mr. Shubhankar Saxena, again consultant Tableau, and Mr. Prithviraj Chavan, senior consultant Tableau. They are from Team Computers. So warm welcome to all our presenters of the day and to our audience who have joined us today. So without any further ado, let's quickly start the workshop. To people who are new and they are getting introduced to Team Computers for the first time, just a quick introduction about our organization. We have been into existence since 33 years now. We just celebrated our 33rd birthday, and we are into multiple channel of activities, into hardware, we are into infrastructure management, and we largely serve a lot of customers pan India into analytics and BI platform. So we have our own set of developers, consultants, our experts who help all our customers during any of the issues. And today we are hosting this event for the platform Tableau. And to give you a better introduction of Tableau and take this over, I would request Pritesh to take up the session from now. Pritesh, the audience is all yours now. Thank you.
Yeah, hi, thanks a lot, Sandeep. Yeah, so I'm just sharing my screen right now. Okay. Very good afternoon to all. My name is Pritesh Porzar, and I am a Tableau consultant in Team Computers. So I will just today I will just let you go through a Tableau presentation. So let you know today first our agenda is like we would like to give some brief introduction about Team Computers, and again ahead of that I will just introduce what is a platform and their tools. So their major tools on how they work, and we will show you a live demo on how the Tableau performs. Right. So about Team Computers are a gold partner of Tableau, and we are working with Tableau since 8 years, and we provide end-to-end solutioning in Tableau. Okay. So before going to a Tableau product, everyone has a question in their mind that what is a product and why is a product. Okay. So I will just let you know what is a product. So what is a Tableau? So Tableau is a basic. Tableau is a data visualization tool. It helps the people to see and understand the data. So in short, if I can tell you that the Tableau is a plug and play tool. So you have to just plug your data to Tableau, and you will get a desired output from the Tableau. So after plugging your data into a Tableau, you will just ask questioning to Tableau that what is my sales and how it is going my year on year and month on month. All those things you just keep asking question. Tableau will give you answers, desired answer to your questions. So this will help you to visualize your organization growth as well as other factors, right? So again, there will be another question like, okay, why Tableau? So I will just tell you why Tableau. So Tableau is very user-friendly tool. So Tableau means like there is no specialty or special skills required to run to use a Tableau. It is a user-friendly tool, so it can be used by a functional or a non-technical guy. Again, another we have different kind of features such as we can have intuitive storytelling. We can connect to multiple data structures here. Again, we can prepare a variety of visualization in Tableau. uh, Again, the main factor of Tableau is like it eradicates some of the dependency from IT. So like if sometime there is a dependency on like यार मुझे ये dashboard बना के दे या मुझे ये changes करके दे. So you will means like you won't have such kind of difficulties like while working in Tableau. So you can make changes by your own at any time at any place. So my colleague Shubhankar will explain you later how the Tableau will help you to make changes or to make any kind of Tableau as a user friendly. So going ahead, I will show you the products of Tableau. So now these are the main products of Tableau, that is Tableau Desktop, Tableau Prep, and Tableau Server. Okay, so here on left hand side, you will able to see there are variety of data sources which can be connected to Tableau. So data sources will contain your cloud sources, on-premise sources, as well as flat files. So this many data sources you can connect to Tableau, and you can start preparing visualization straight away. So there won't be any cost for any other connectors or any other things which will make you different cost for that. So it will help you connect the databases very easily here. So I will just let you know how it works. So the again I will connect this database to Tableau Prep. I will clean my data and prepare some kind of ETL sort in Tableau Prep, and I will take that data into a Tableau Desktop. So Tableau Desktop will utilize the data which was prepared in Tableau Prep, and I will prepare some visualization on this with some requirements from any specific management. So after preparing my dashboards on Tableau Desktop, I will just push that dashboards onto a Tableau server or Tableau online. So these are two different tools, Tableau server and Tableau online, with having the same functionality. Only the difference is like Tableau server will be on premise and Tableau online will be on cloud hosted, which is hosted by Tableau. Okay, so after publishing or pushing my dashboards on Tableau server and Tableau online, those can be consumed through desktop, web browser, mobile phone, from anywhere, any place. Again, the another application is like you can embed those dashboards into into your Tableau, into your website, so that if a particular person log in into your website, he would directly see your his dashboard or any kind of regional dashboard or that specific user dashboard. Okay, so these are the mainly products which will help you prepare a complete analytical solution in Tableau. Going ahead, I will explain you how Tableau Prep will help you to prepare data. So Tableau Prep is like a ETL tool in Tableau. So there are yeah, multiple times there is like your data is not clean, or there needs some kind of massaging in your data. So like if you have a different type of Excel sheets, so you just want to pull it into one single table. So Tableau Prep will help you for removing null values or changing a data types or any other things which are related to ETL. Tableau Prep will relatively help you to make data clean and make readily available for Tableau Desktop to just prepare your visualization. Okay, this is the interface of a Tableau Prep. So here you will able to see like these are multiple CSVs which are brought into a Tableau Prep, which we have connected to Tableau Prep. Again, there are some of few operations which are performed here on Tableau Prep, and after that we have performed a union here. So this union will help you to prepare a single form of data from these multiple files, and this can be consumed on Tableau Desktop. Uh, for this, I will show you a brief demo on this. So let me show you Tableau Prep here. Uh, I'm sharing my Tableau Prep screen here. Okay. Yeah, so this is my Tableau Prep screen. Here I am able to see like when you go to your left hand side, you will able to see your connections. So when you just open this connection, you will see multiple connectivities are given by Tableau. Here you can connect to databases or flat files and anything. So here you have to just go to Excel and you have to select Excel file or whichever file you want to choose, and you can straight away start doing massaging. I will just run you through a database which we have prepared or Tableau has given us for a demo purpose. So here you will able to see like these are different files which are imported in the Tableau Prep. Okay, So here you will able to see this orders of south, this order of east, west, north, west. So regional wise, different files are maintained. After that, they have performed some basic tasks such as remove null, fix the data type. So here it is very easy to remove null values. So we just have to enter a command here, just and your null values will be removed from your data. You can fix up the data types here very easily. You have to just go to this ABC mark you will able to see here, and you have to just click on the data type which you want to change it. After that, renaming states and fixing the dates. So this all those sort of operations which are which we performed earlier, and after that I just join this multiple tables into a single table. So this will help you to gain a single table, and you can perform any kind of visualization on this. So this is something like preparing a data mart from Tableau Prep. Okay, and after this I will just publish this my output to Tableau online or Tableau server, or I can readily consume it directly into Tableau to prepare my visualization. So I will for this I will show you how Tableau Desktop works. So after getting my output into a single table, how Tableau Desktop will help you to prepare your visualization part. So I will show you how Tableau Desktop, how easy as well as how Tableau Desktop will help you to prepare your visualization. So now you are seeing my screen of a Tableau Desktop. So after preparing my output, after preparing my data in Tableau Prep, I will take my that data into Tableau Desktop and prepare my visualization. For now, I will show you how Tableau Desktop can help you to connect various data types. So here, when you click on more on left hand side, you will see almost 50 to 60 data types which can Tableau directly connect to those databases. So you don't require any kind of connector mediator to connect to those databases. You can directly connect those databases and start preparing your visualization. For now, I am taking an Excel file to prepare a visualization here. Okay, so I will just go to my desktop and take my sample superstore here. So I will share you. So here it's taking a loading currently. So here you will able to see what are these. So on
So,
left hand side.
Pritesh, sorry, I'll have to stop you here for a bit.
Mhm.
So we have got some questions already on the chat, and Prithvi is going to answer these questions.
Sure.
Uh, so to all our attendees over there, so you can please keep typing in your questions, and we'll get them answered on the chat. Thank you. Okay, yes, Pritesh, you can please continue.
Okay, thank you, Sandeep. Yeah, so here you will able to see on left hand side all those. These are sheets which are presented in that Excel file. So in this orders, when if I want to use this order table, I will just drag the order table here, and you will able to see all this data which is presented in that Excel. Okay. After this, Tableau has brought a new feature which is called relation to the data. So this is like another biggest change in a Tableau desktop after multiple connecting multiple data sources. So this will help you to prepare a relationship between two tables with a common field. So this will help you to means like if the person who is using a Tableau desktop before this, he would know that how it was difficult to deal with a data blending, right? So here data blending has been overcome with use of this relativity functional in Tableau, right? So here you will on the bottom of the screen you will able to see the whole data which was presented in the Excel file. I will just quickly start to work on this data. So going on to sheet on the left hand side, I will able to see that Tableau has segregated all those fields into measures and dimensions. So means like measures will be your numerical values and dimension will be your parameters on which the data will be divided. So here I will show you how quick the Tableau is or how easy to prepare any kind of visualization on Tableau. So to I just currently I just want to know what is the sales, what is my current total sales, right? So I will just drag and drop my sales onto rows, and here you will able to see my total sales in my organization. So for knowing the numbers, I will just click on T and you will able to see the number, what is my total sales. Now further question arises like I now okay, I want to see my sales product wise, right? So here I will just drag my category, product category, into columns, and now I will able to see my sales has been divided into a multiple product categories. So at any time, if you want to see your axis, you can just swap here and quick sort from here. You will able to see our technology is doing good, very good in your organization. After that, furniture and then office supply. Now, now further, if I want to just drill it down to subcategories, okay. So I will just prepare my hierarchy here. So I will drag subcategory onto a category, and I will rename it as a product. So this will help me to create, this will help me to create a hierarchy here. So before this, you have not seen a plus sign here. Now you will able to see a plus sign here, which will help you to drill it down further, right? So if you want to add more hierarchy into this, so you will just drag and drop the field into this hierarchy, and you will drill it down further from here. So I have gone to a product level here. So now I'm only able to see my how much I have done sales here, right? So at any time, if you want to see that, okay, I also want to see my profit. So the profit field is available in Excel file in our database. So it contains how much profit we have did by product wise. So I will just drag this product onto a color, and now you will able to see how my profit is also going in regarding to this categories. I will just do some coloring here, and you will get a clearer view here. So here you will able to see the darker the bar, the much profit we have done. And when it goes to red, so it there we will able to see that we have done some losses here. So here we can understand that, yeah, table is doing good sales, but again it is also giving me a loss. So now the question arises, why this is happening? So I just want to get into this table. So why the table is doing losses? So I will just click on table and keep only tables. I will drill it to further extent to product level. Now I will able to see, yeah, this product is doing too much losses for me. So I will just select this table. I will go to underlying data of this. So I will just check my full data. Yeah, this is the thing which is giving me a loss. So at any time, if you want to share with or deal with the regional manager or that salesperson, I will just select all this data, copy or export into Excel, and I will share with that person, and I will ask them that what is wrong with this product, right? So this will help you to gain where it is going wrong, right? So for the now, I will just remove product from here. I will keep as it is, and I will rename this sheet as product category wise, product wise sales. Okay. So another question arises in our mind. Okay, I have seen product wise and bifurcation of my sales. Now I just want to know how my sales is going timeline wise. So for this, I will just drag sales into rows. Now I will add a date into a column. So here you will able to see I have not prepared, I have not created any kind of calculation in Tableau to in order to get my years of order or quarters or months. So when I click on plus, it will give you a further bifurcation of that date. So at this point, you will able to see that how my year on year or month on month is doing in my sales. So at any time, if you want to see month on month cut here, so I will just drag this year into color, and you will able to see a clearer view. Yeah, so this month is making in 2019 August is making good, and I will get a clearer picture for doing month on month analysis here. So here you will able to see how quickly we have prepared this chart here. You don't have to do any kind of coding or any kind of scripting stuff here. I will just save it as timeline or trend line. Okay. Now another question will arise in your mind, like I just want to know, okay, I have seen a timeline wise, I have seen a product wise. Now I just want to know how my sales is doing regional or geographical wise. So we have a field of state and cities in our data, in our Excel file. So when I will just double click on state, and Tableau will automatically plot those location into a picture. So here I have to just select India so that Tableau can understand which states is this, and you will able to see that Tableau has automatically plotted all those on the map, right? So just converting from here, okay. So if at any time if you want to go a uh, little bit deeper side, so you will just click uh, on plus sign here, so it will go to a city wise. So you can just hover over the points which are plotted on the map, and you will able to see what are the cities which are plot on the map. At any time if you want to know the if you want to know how much sales is done in these cities, so I will just drag my sales onto size, and again profit onto color. So this will give me a picture that yeah, this region and this city is making a good sales here for me. So again uh, at any point if you want to make select a particular region, I will just get some tools from left hand side, and I will select this region, and I will make this keep only, and you will get a broader view of this region. So you can share with the people that yeah, this is making loss even though it is making good sales. So this will give you a picture of your geographical view, right? So I am saving this sheet as geographical sales. Okay. Uh, Later on, so we have created three visualizations here. Now I just want to prepare one final dashboard from this. So I will go and click on to new dashboard. So just drag these sheets which you have prepared on the canvas, and you will able to see a complete dashboard from here. So you can rearrange it as per your requirement, and after that I just want to now I will make it automatic size to get a good view for this. Okay, so now I have prepared a complete dashboard from this. Now while presenting to any any management or any people, so while before this we used to share into ppt or any kind of static files, it will be like images and all those things, where we were able to provide only a single cut. Now you can share this file with your management or any team member, so that they can see or interact with this dashboard. So such as I am applying filter to all this dashboard. Now at any point if people want to see that yeah, tables is making good sales but it is making a loss also, so so someone will click on this table and you will able to see where the tables are making losses. So this will get a clearer view why tables are making losses. Okay. And again if someone want to ask a further question that yeah, so this Mumbai is making very much losses in table. Now I want to see on in which timeline or which months it has made losses. So I will just select this Mumbai here, and you will able to see in this period it is making losses. So I will tell them that what is the issue, why it is giving me loss in this period. So I will ask them to work in this period, that yeah, you just focus on to tables and get some good profit from this tool, right? So this is some kind of visualization which I have prepared in very short time, that is like in half an hour only. So sorry, in 10 minutes only. So like I want to share this visualization with my colleagues or with my management. So there is option like to publish it on Tableau Server or Tableau Online. So currently I will be showing you this demo on Tableau Online, how easy is it to share with other people. So once you click on Tableau Online, it will ask credentials to you. So once you enter the credentials, so I have already logged in into Tableau Online because I have already entered the credentials. So now you got a option to publish this workbook on Tableau Online, right? So when I just click publish, so there will be multiple options to maintain a security of this workbook. So these are like first one is like in which project you want to publish. So as per your department requirement, you will just publish this into a different. You will just prepare a different folders, such as like if you want to prepare a project for finance, you will prepare one finance project. For sales different, for supply chain different folders you will make, and you will just apply these permissions to those users who will consume that folder. So finance guys will have only access to that folder, sales guys will have access to only their particular folder. They won't be interfering into finance guys product. So this will help you to maintain user filter or filtration in your projects, right? So uh, I will rename this as a Tableau demo, and I will publish it onto a server so that it can be consumed by end users, right? So just click on to publish, and it will be published onto in on Tableau Online, and you will able to see the same interactivity which we have done here on the desktop will be available on Tableau Online or Tableau Server. So they will again they have multiple options to work on Tableau Online. So my colleague Shubhankar Saxena will explain you on how Tableau Online, Tableau Server, and as well as Embedded Analytics will help you to resolve your analytical problems in your organization. Shubhankar, over to you. Thanks a lot.
Thanks, Pritesh. So
So
just let me share my screen. Is it visible?
yes, it is Shubhankar.
Okay. So after creating a dashboards on Tableau Desktop, let's talk about the about Tableau Server and Online, where you publish your dashboards which you have just created on your Tableau Desktop. Tableau Server or Tableau Online is a product of Tableau. It means you can use the functionality of Tableau without need to always be downloading and opening the workbook on Tableau Desktop. Tableau Online and Tableau Server is a product that provides a way to publish, share, distribute Tableau workbooks and data sources. You can set permission to different bit of work to allow you as an organization to determine who can access or interact with that. Basically, it's a collaborative working environment that holds all your Tableau workbooks, data sources, and more. Tableau Server is not limited only to publishing or viewing the dashboard. It has some more great features which can help you to automate your tasks. Features like subscription, alert, scheduling, custom view. Now let's see how all this feature actually works. Now we will shift it to our Tableau Online. Right now we are using Tableau Online. So you can see we have already published one sample dashboard over here. Let's suppose we have this dashboard showing all our KPIs. By using Tableau Server or Online, I can set up an email that will send a message to a user who may are interested in showing this dashboard on daily basis or any certain interval of time. To do that, just click on the subscription button over here. We will add the user to whom I want to show this dashboard. For example, I want to show this dashboard to Pritesh. So I will add user over here. We'll include this view. Format should be in an image form. Subject should maybe we can add daily view, or we can set the scheduling time like repeat on daily basis every day and select the appropriate time, like on 5:20 a.m. Select the days on which you want to share this entire dashboard over the mail, and click on subscription. So how simply you have just created a subscription in which every user will every entered user will get a same screenshot of this updated dashboard every day. Similar to scheduling, for example, I can use Tableau Server to send an email to a sales manager when we hit a number of sales over a given period of time. To do that, we have an alert option over here on on Tableau Online or Server. We will just click on the alert and select a particular threshold on which you want to set the alert. For example, I want to create an alert for this monthly sales by product category. In this, I will select this sales axis and just click on this create. After clicking on create, you have to give the conditions like above and equal to, below or equal to, below or equal to. Give the particular threshold, like on threshold value from where above that you want to get the alert. Add subject to it and click on create alert. Whenever my value of my sale rises above this particular threshold value, I will get an email with a snapshot of that particular view. Now suppose in this view, I want to see this whole dashboard according to my west region only. And let's say I want to see this dashboard for particular profit ratio should be in between 14.2 to 37, for example. Now, after making a desired view, by clicking on different actions or filters, you want to make this custom view as your default view, or you want to see this view on a daily basis instead of viewing entire dashboard on daily basis and regularly clicking the same filters and actions. To make this automated, there is an option known as view. Just click on that view and name this particular view which you have created right now after applying all the filters. Like suppose say my view. You can make this visible to other as well, so that your analysis will be visible to others who can find it more useful than the entire dashboard. And we can save this like this. So instead of seeing the entire dashboard on daily basis, you can see your own view from this view button. Or if you want to see your original visualization, just click on the original default view. You will get the default view from here. Suppose there are some more features of the Tableau server that makes it more user experience, makes it more user experience comfortable. Features like Tableau catalog and ask data. Tableau catalog integrates features like lineage, impact analysis, data dictionary, data quality, and search in your Tableau application, helping you to solve problems differently by the standalone catalogs. It focuses on both IT and end users, so that everyone on using Tableau Server or Tableau Online has more visibility and trust to the data, while also enabling more discoverability within your data. Tableau catalog build and catalog out of Tableau content being used by your organization, enabling comprehensive functionality like impact analysis and lineage, curation and trust, and data discoverability. You can use Tableau catalog to search for database Tableau data sources to analyze in Tableau and connect to them from the search result. Also, you can see the workbook and other Tableau content that depend on a particular column or field from the table and the data source you manage. When you need to make any changes in your data, you can notify the impact to Tableau author using the emails. Another important feature is Ask Data. Ask Data introduces an entirely new way to interact with your data, letting you to type questions and instantly get a response right in Tableau. Answers come in the form of automatic data visualization, which with no need of manual drag and drop or understanding of the data. Ask Data let you ask sophisticated questions naturally with support of key analytical concepts like time series, spatial analysis, and understanding the conversational phrase like latest year, earliest, or most popular. Using Ask Data, user can simply apply simple calculation, compare difference over time, add sheet to different ways, share the link to the link of Ask database which you have created. Now let's see how this Ask Data actually works. So we have already published a sample data on the Tableau online. Once you click on the data, you will get an Ask Data option over here. And now you can ask anything. For example, from my data, which is over here, I want to see my yearly trend. So I will just write year-wise total sale and click enter. So as you see, your answer come in the form of automatic data visualization. You don't need to drag any field in the view. You just write simple language like what you want to see, and Tableau will give you auto generated visual with the best practice visualization which is required according to your type. Let's take one more example by creating one more sheet. Let's say I want to see category and region wise profit. So I will write category and region wise profit. Enter. So you get the output in the best suitable visualization, which is automatically done by the Tableau according to the fields which you have right on the question panel. You can save your analysis, like we have created these two sheets, and if you want to save it for future references, you can also save it from by using this save button, or you can share your analysis using this share button. Tableau is not limited to Tableau Desktop or Tableau Server or Tableau Online. It has some more speciality which makes this tool more effortless and caliber product as a whole. One of the most important and powerful feature is auto-generated embedded code. When you publish a dashboard on Tableau Server or online, a share button will appear on the top and the bottom of the dashboard, which contain the auto-generated embedded code. User can embed interactive Tableau view and dashboard into their web pages, blog, wiki pages, web application, and internet portals, which help in building the product, save your time, resource, and money. Embedded analysis provide a level of access to business intelligence to your customers, partners, and employee needs. It follows the same licensing and permission restriction used on the Tableau Server and Tableau Online. For the core-based license users, allow people in your organization to view and interact with the Tableau embedded in the web pages without having any sign-on to the server. Embedding help an organization to take your product to the market faster. You can make your application more practical by deploying new analytic contents and fulfill changes requirements in a moment. Embedded analysis integrated with Tableau includes simple web pages, custom web portals, third-party applications, customer-facing software, and data products. Now let's see how this embedding works. So see, I have designed this in-house web application for demonstration. Here, when I click on the services, you can see I have already deployed two different dashboards in my application. If I click on any of the dashboard, you can see the dashboards are fully interactive, as on the Tableau, as on your Tableau server or online. You can interact with the Tableau dashboards on your own web portals, having same functionalities and permissions access. Let's say I have to add one more dashboard. Let's suppose this Superstore dashboard only into my web portal. So I've already created a space for space where I want to add this Superstore dashboard. And I already told you that Tableau automatically generated generate the embedded code. You just need to click on this share button like this. Copy this embedded code and paste it somewhere in the notepad like this. So after taking the embedded code, you just need to place this code into your application code where you want to place this particular dashboard. Let's say I will copy this entire code like this, and I will paste this code in my application code. Let's suppose I have this frame where I want to place this view. I will paste it over here and save it. After saving the code, I will just go to my web application and click on refresh. Now you can see I've just added the entire dashboard from my Tableau online to my own web portal. It has all the functionalities and all the user permissions which we have created over there, having the same view which we have used like this, my view. You can use my views as well over here. You can download, you can set the downloading permission, share permission, subscription permissions from here as well. This is how you can add any of the workbook or dashboard which you have published on the Tableau server or online into your own web applications. So we have done with our presentation. And now we are open to any of the questions which you want to ask. Please feel free to ask any question.
Great, Shubhankar. So I think yes, we heard a lot about. We actually went through the presentation. It was really knowledgeable, and we have got few questions already, which Prithvi has addressed to the attendees who have asked. However, we'll take few more minutes to see if they have any other questions. So Prithvi, would you like to read out the questions and the answers for the same to all our like audience? They should also know.
Yeah. So am I audible?
Sorry, you're not audible. You'll have to,
Hello.
yeah, please come a bit closer to your mic.
Okay. Am I audible now?
Little better. See if
Okay. So yeah. So there was one question which I would like to pick up. So somebody asked, how is Tableau compared to the other products? Okay. So I think I haven't justified properly because there are many things to talk about, and I could just write only two-liner statement to help the audience understand how is Tableau different when compared to other products. Okay, so each product, the competition products in market, it is based on the use cases that you wish to deploy. Okay, say for instance, what works very good for Tableau is, suppose you have an audience or a team, non-technical team, or you can say business users who wish to drive analytics initiative in a particular in their organization. So that is where Tableau fits in very well. Okay, because Tableau has a lot of self-service capabilities. It's a solution which is able to give you a lot of different options, features in one single licenses. So Explorer licenses is what Shubhankar was showing, it had almost all the required feature, right from commenting on a dashboard, downloading PPT format, Excel format. You have ask data also, wherein you just write script and then should be able to give you few visualizations with just writing simple English in that window. So as I said, it all depends on the use case. All the tools in market should be able to give you the exact output that you are currently looking at in Tableau. If I place Click, Tableau, Power BI, these are typical competition tools. There is another one, Looker, which is recently acquired by Google. So if you compare all four outputs of these products, you hardly be able to find the difference between these four products. If you are a user of Tableau or a user of Click or Power BI, you should be definitely be able to differentiate. Okay, this is a Power BI output or a Tableau output. So because of these technologies coming from a different vendor, only these का फर्क है थोड़ा सा in look and feel, but functionality wise all the tools are able to do. Okay. The major factor for you to decide upon any technology is the ease of use. Okay, the best way of deciding is download the tool, try doing it all by yourself, and I'm sure Tableau will exceed your expectation when you try doing that.
Prithvi,
Yes.
I'm sorry, I have to stop you here. Your voice is echoing. I think it. Could you use a mic or maybe come a little bit closer to the laptop?
So is it fine now? I think okay. I had my mobile phone right beside my laptop. Is it okay now?
Yeah, bit better. You'll have to talk a little slowly.
Okay. So I was saying the best way to decide on these platform is just download these different tools. They are available for free, and try creating few dashboards. And I'm sure when it comes to Tableau, you should be able to look at one or two videos, and you should be able to quickly jump onto the tool, and you'll see yourself doing a lot of different things. For a lot of people who are quick learners, this demo itself would have given a decent understanding on what the tool is all about. And if you go ahead and download, you should be able to connect and then visualize, create a simple dashboard for yourself. In all other technologies, you are required to learn few coding and scripting languages. But then when it comes to Tableau, there's hardly anything, any scripting, a different scripting language is required. There's no scripting language, separate scripting language is required in Tableau. If you are an Excel user, your simple if and else statement you will see can be used in Tableau. All the functions that you use in Tableau are coming from Excel. You see major functions that you use in Excel can be used exactly the same manner in Tableau as well.
Okay. So are we taking any other questions, Prithvi?
So I think that was the one question which I had, and then there are questions like, will I be getting this particular video recording of this webinar? Yes, we will share it with you. There was one more question which says, I have multiple formats in Excel in columns. Can I prepare it in Tableau Prep? The answer is yes, but then how much time or what is it that it will take for you to prepare it? It all depends when we have a closer look at the Excel format. But then one thing that I want to bring it to your notice is Tableau won't be able to perform that hardcore ETL activities like you have, different tools, ETL tools in market. Okay, if you talk about Alteryx, you have Informatica, and there is Pentaho. So all these ETL tools, if you compare it with Tableau Prep, it is not going to be an apple-to-apple comparison. Tableau Prep is for business users who would want to prepare their data before analyzing it, and it is only meant for business users. You will see a lot of different functionalities in there which are very functional. You don't have to write any script or code in order to use them. All are available at a click of a button. You should be able to do it. Coming back to the Excel format, Tableau doesn't work in a typical nested format. So when I say nested format, what I mean to say, typically people have year written on top of the row, and then you have four different columns merged into one, saying Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4. Okay, so those kind of nested structure, there is a limitation. Tableau won't be able to work properly, but definitely there is a workaround to work with such formats, and you need to be a little equipped with a good understanding of Tableau Prep. Then you should be able to do it on Tableau Prep.
Great. So we have another question from Mr. Abhishek Prakash. He asks, what's the equivalent of measures in Tableau? Are we required to learn something equivalent to DAX, DAX in Tableau to actually build dashboards?
Okay, so DAX is a language that is required for you to learn to code and script in Power BI. Okay, but when it comes to Tableau, there's no language is required for you to learn. Okay, if you are a user who knows simple SQL scripts, select queries that you write, you should be able to do it. Write scripts in Tableau. If you don't know say SQL, you should be able to, if you are an Excel user, you should be able to write all those required scripts. There's no dedicated language is required for you to learn in order to script in Tableau. So I think so Mr. Prakash is asking to unmute himself. Can you do that?
Yeah, I can do that. Just give me 1 second. 1 second, Abhishek. We are getting you unmuted. Abhishek, you'll have. Can you click on raise hand one more time? Thank you. Okay, so you are on unmute now. You can talk, Abhishek.
Yeah, thank you for giving me a chance to ask the question. My query is like I have been kind of using Power BI for probably last 6 to 8 months. I've been self-taught. So all these dashboarding tools initially explain that you can do things like start off on your own. But when it comes to actually presenting it to the management or the senior level personnel, then I have to get my hands dirty with DAX. And I'm a pretty good Excel user. So all the formulas and everything is there. But to actually present things, you have to get measures. And it's not easy to write measures or whatever is equivalent to that in this Tableau. So I wanted to know, it's like when you go in for KPIs and say sum of sales, these are easy stuff to get. But sum of sales filtered over some XYZ stuff, then that how do we achieve that in Tableau? And how easy is it for somebody who is self-taught?
Okay, so now I understood your question. So when you say measures, you are talking about derived fields in Tableau or in Power BI, right?
Exactly.
So yes, it is easy. So say some calculations like year over year, running total, running sum. So all these are available in Tableau as quick table calculations. Okay. And for other things that you need to write scripts, if you are a decent Excel user, suppose you are using Excel for more than a year, you should be able to script all by yourself. It is not that difficult, and moreover, there is a lot of very strong study material available for Tableau. If you just write a simple query, like say, how do I find profit ratio in Tableau? you will actually get the formula for it. Okay. Or if you just write Google would like to do year over year in Tableau, you will get the entire script available over the Tableau community. Okay. So when I compare Power BI's community with Tableau, Tableau's community is very strong. And if you have self-learned Power BI, if you look at Tableau for a week or so, you should be able to learn Tableau as well very quickly.
Okay, sure. I will give it a try because there are some very quirky issues in Power BI, and we would definitely like. Subsequently, I'm kind of exploring this for subsequently proposing to our management for implementation across our company. So let's see. First, I have to be confident about the product, then only I can propose it. Thank you for your answering the question.
Okay.
Sure. Thank you, Abhishek. Thanks so much. So I guess we do not have any further questions, and seems like we have got a real energetic audience today. A lot of questions on the chat, and we have got some speakers as well. So I guess it's time to end the session today. And with this, I would like to thank you, the speakers first, who have made all the efforts designing the slides. And I thoroughly enjoyed the session. I'm sure it was the same for the people who are hearing us. However, if you still want to contact us, you can always reach out to me. We'll send you a emailer, and we'll try to send the recording of the video on demand as well. So with that, thank you, ladies and gentlemen, for having your time out here for this 1 hour. We hope that this is a good session for you. You learned something, and we also enjoyed hosting this session for you. We'll meet you soon with some of our more exciting sessions, and you'll get our emailers, you will get our notifications. Please feel free to join in. Thank you once again. You have a great day ahead.